Okay, so this is part 2 of the Skoggit chili video that I so rudely interrupted with a competition throwdown. So now this here is my Southwest chili, I guess Big Reggie's way. And you can see it's very hearty. I've got 3 different beans in there, all kinds of stuff going on. We've already had a little taste of mine, and I think I've got Skoggit a little bit on the run. I'm not gonna say anything too bold right now. So that's mine. We're just gonna let these sit now. They just kind of finished cooking, and both of us agree that we have to let these sit for about 15 minutes or so to kind of just meld together and do their thing. And then over here, this is the West Texas chili, Skoggit's way. And you can see both of our chilies are nice, complex chilies. I know that some Texans will get angry that we put beans in them, especially in a competition. But to me, what do you think, sir? Chili ain't chili without beans.
I like the beans.
The only time I don't have beans in my chili is sometimes I get Wolf brand chili for a Frito pie, and I'll get the one without beans.
I do that.
Or if I got company coming over, I won't eat beans because that's a whole. We know what beans do.
Me, I like the beans.
Look at that.
And that's all what it is to it. I mean, yeah. I like beans in my chili, and that's why I'm going to make it.
All right, so we're going to be coming back at you shortly with part 3, and we're going to throw down with a competition-style taste testing, and we'll let you know who won.